and I tell this to everybody, including to my journalism students, is you don't have to be the expert. You have to become an expert on that topic.
Every job is going to be different. This job, I had to go up in the back of a fighter jet. And the next job, I was down at the bottom of a dive tank in a subaqueous pit. So you never know what you're going to be doing.
Which one comes first? Do you think of an idea and then look for a publication that could take it? Or do you decide which magazine you want to write for and then think of an idea that will work for them?